Hello, my name is Joe Frei, owner of Frei Remodeling and Construction. Today I'll be answering some common questions about kitchen remodeling. Can Frei Remodeling and Construction help me with my kitchen remodel? Generally, our projects are complete kitchen remodels. That entails new cabinets, new countertops, new sink faucet, new flooring, lighting, and possibly painting the kitchen. Other aspects of kitchen remodel is removing walls, changing the layout of the cabinetry, moving plumbing, moving electrical. I know every project is different, so one way we can figure out if we're a good fit is to go to our website, reach out to us, and we can discuss your project personally with me and see if we're a good fit. How long does a kitchen remodel take? A typical remodeling project takes anywhere from 8 to 10 weeks. Varying factors can be, are we taking a wall out, changing cabinet layout, moving plumbing, moving electrical? An aspect that can really mitigate how long your project will take is having a really good design up front, material selection done, and having a really detailed schedule written out for your project. Another thing that can extend the timeline is any change orders or design changes during the construction of your remodel project. Extend that beyond that 10 weeks. So how much does a kitchen remodel cost? So we've done kitchen remodel projects as high as $125,000. That's going all out. That's knocking out walls, that's relocating electrical, relocating plumbing, full custom cabinets, high-end quartz, new sink fixture, new plumbing, new flooring, the works. And we've also done some really nice kitchen projects for $50,000. You still get the aspects of a $125,000 kitchen remodel, but we keep it basic as far as the layout. That way you can transform that kitchen into your own. What can I do to prepare for a kitchen remodel? So preparing for your kitchen remodel, the only things that we ask for is just to clear out your cabinetry, make sure everything is off the counter, and take anything off the walls that may fall off. And that's pretty much it. We'll take it from there, contain that area, mask it off, protect your floors, and then all you have to do is sit back, wait possibly 8 to 10 weeks to complete your project, and then that way, when it's all said and done, you can enjoy your own kitchen. What are some common kitchen upgrades that past clients love? Some very popular upgrades that clients love to put into their new kitchen is soft close doors and drawers, pull-out shelves, quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, a tile backsplash, and upgrading the existing lighting in the ceiling. One last popular upgrade for a kitchen is a touchless faucet. You don't got to turn on a handle, you don't got to touch it, it's by motion, which is a really nice feature to have in your kitchen. Those are some common questions about kitchen remodeling. If you have any additional questions or would like to discuss your project, please go to our website and click on the Contact Us form, and we'd be happy to grab a call and discuss your project and see how we can help you out.